Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn on display zoom on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here display and brightness, and here you scroll down until you will see here display zoom. So just open it, click on it, and here you can see that now it's standard, but if we choose zoomed it will now showing us in zoom profile. So just choose zoomed and just click set. So use zoomed, and now it successfully become into zoomed. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.